Hello, my dear children. Welcome to your maths class. So today we are revising of what you have done in your previous classes. How to compare different things. Big and small. What is big and what is small? Big मतलब कि जो चीज बड़ी है साइज में बड़ी है और small मतलब जो चीज साइज में छोटी है. So if we look at these two pictures, the elephant is bigger than the rat. तो मतलब जो elephant है वो rat से बड़ा है और we can say that the rat is shorter than the elephant. जो rat है वो elephant से छोटा है. Thick and thin. Thick मतलब कि मोटा and thin मतलब कि पतला. Thick and thin. So if you look at these two pictures, this telephone is thicker than the smartphone. Thicker मतलब वो मोटा है इस smartphone से. Telephone is thicker than the smartphone, or we can say that the smartphone is thinner than the telephone. तो we are comparing two things. कोई चीज bigger है, कोई चीज smaller है, कोई चीज thicker है और कोई चीज thinner है. Tall and short. Tall मतलब कि लंबा, height में लंबा, और short मतलब height में छोटा. Tall and short. So if you look at these two pictures, one is tree and one is plant. So the Xmas tree is taller than the plant. लंबा है वो plant से, or we can say that the plant is shorter than the Xmas tree. जो ये plant है इस Xmas tree से shorter है. So if we are comparing these two things, the tree is longer, the tree is taller than the plant and the plant is shorter than the tree. Similarly, your father is taller than you and you are shorter than your father. Long and short. अब long का मतलब भी लंबा होता है, but ये वाला long होता है length में लंबा. ये वाला tall होता है height में लंबा और ये वाला जो long होता है वो होता है length में लंबा. So length में कौन सी चीज लंबी है और कौन सी चीज short है? जैसे कि अगर आप रोड पर जाते हो तो जो कार है, कार is longer than a cycle and a cycle is shorter than a car. If you look at these two pictures, a ship and a boat, the ship is longer than the boat, or we can say that the boat is shorter than the ship. Okay? Heavy and light. Heavy means भारी and light means हल्का. तो जो heavy होता है, आपके घर में कई चीजें हैं जो बहुत भारी होंगी. आपका स्कूल का बैग जिसमें बुक्स कॉपीज हैं वो बहुत heavy है और आपका जो पेंसिल बॉक्स है वो light है. So if we compare this aeroplane with a kite, इन दोनों में से कौन सा heavy है? Aeroplane heavy है और kite जो है वो light है. So how can we say the aeroplane is heavier than the kite, or we can say that the kite is lighter than the aeroplane. More and less. Now more मतलब कि ज़्यादा, less मतलब कि कम. More मतलब suppose एक बाउल है जिसके अंदर 10 टॉफीज हैं और एक बाउल है जिसके अंदर 5 टॉफीज हैं. So that bowl with 10 toffees, it is more than the bowl with the 5 toffees. Similarly, if we see this basket, it has more oranges and this basket has less. कम oranges हैं इसके अंदर. So this basket has more oranges, this basket has less oranges. More than and less than. Now when we compare any two objects जिसमें ज़्यादा चीजें हैं और कम चीजें हैं, how do we say more than and less than? For example, ये यहाँ पर जो balloons है, they are more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And इस plate में जो mangoes हैं, they are less. Only 3 mangoes are there. 5 balloons are more than 3 mangoes. तो 5 balloons are more than 3 mangoes. जो 5 balloons है वो ज़्यादा है, 3 mangoes कम है. 3 mangoes are less than 5 balloons. Alright? Now you can also play this game with your friends. आपके friends suppose 5 fingers निकालते हैं, आप 6 fingers निकालते हो. So your fingers are more than your friends' fingers. Now what is equal? Equal means बराबर. आपके पास भी इक्वल चीजें हैं, आपके फ्रेंड के पास भी इक्वल चीजें हैं. आपके पास 3 टॉफीज हैं, आपके फ्रेंड के पास 3 लॉलीपॉप्स हैं. So you both have equal number of candies. Let's count the number of balls, and there are equal number of red and green balls. So these are red balls, 1, 2 and 3. They are equal to 1, 2 and 3 green balls. तो दोनों तरफ 3 balls equal हैं. So let's do this exercise. हमें पता चल गया कि क्या heavy है, क्या light है, क्या tall है, क्या short है, या फिर कौन सा लंबा है और कौन सा short है, कौन सा more है, कौन सा less है. Right? Okay. So we'll write B for bigger one and S for smaller one. In दोनों में which one is bigger? Pumpkin is bigger and apple is smaller. In this, the bat is bigger and a flute is smaller. Now we'll write T for the taller one and S for the shorter one. In these two, of course, giraffe is taller and the hen is shorter. Refrigerator is taller and the water bottle is shorter. We will write L for the longer thing and S for the shorter thing. So, boat is shorter than the ship, which is longer. We'll color the lightest object the blue and the heaviest the green. So, of course, this feather is very, very light. So, we will color it blue, and this car is very heavy. We will color it with green. Now we will take the thicker object. जो object मोटा है, जो thick है, हम उसको tick करेंगे, and the object which is thin, we will cross it. So out of these two, this one is thicker and this one is thinner. Out of ball and a bottle guard, ball is thicker and bottle guard is thinner. Now let's take the one which is more in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which one is more? This one is more. So we will tick. Draw a line from one object to another object which are equal in number. So 1, 2. Out of these two, which is 2? 1, 2. We will match it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We will match it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to match it. Yes, fun exercise. Now, let's see. There is a classroom and we have to compare all the statements that are given. The teacher is dash than the girl standing next to her. So, this girl is standing next to the teacher and the teacher is taller. The teacher is taller. The birthday chart, this is the birthday chart, is dash the watch than the photo frame. तो photo frame ये रहा और हमारी clock ये रही. तो जो birthday chart है, it is nearer to the clock. So we will say nearer to. The duster. Now there is this duster here. The duster is dash than the chalk. So the duster होता है वो हमेशा thick होता है, मोटा होता है, और chalk बहुत thin पतला सा होता है. So the duster is thicker than the chalk. The cupboard is dash than the dustbin. So जो cupboard है वो हमेशा क्या होती है? Tall होती है, right? So big होती है, tall होती है. So the cupboard is bigger than the dustbin. And we will fill all these in this crossword puzzle. This is across. Across means ऐसे. So first across हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? Taller. Right? So you are going to fill all these. All right. So let's see what are the next clues. The chalk is lighter than the purse. The number of boys present in a class are dash than the girls. So let's count the number of boys. The number of boys are 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many girls are there? Only 2 girls are there. So the number of boys are more than the number of girls present in the class. The girl who is standing has dash hair than the boy who is standing next to her. तो जो girl के hair है वो क्या है? They are long. So the girl's hair are longer than the boy. So, I hope the chapter is clear when we compare any two things, which one is heavy, which one is light, which is long, which is short, which is more, which is less, and you can revise it and compare all the things which are around you. That's all for today in this chapter. Have fun.